Experience the heartwarming taste of pernil this Christmas. Traditionally made from slow roasted marinated pork that I'll be making completely vegan and full of flavor. Next, I'll be taking my jackfruit that I rinsed off in hot water and I'll be shredding it by hand. And I add in my vegan hand bouillon and my special seasoning blend, and I'll list the details below with some Sofrito, some soy sauce, and liquid smoke. Next, I'm going to go ahead and work on my marinade. So I'll grab my mortar and pestle. And remember, you can get everything that you see here from Compare Foods. And I'm going to add in lots of garlic, olive oil, Mexican oregano, adobo, cumin and pepper, sazon, and a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna pound it until it's nice and delicious looking, just like this. Next, I'm gonna pour this all over my jackfruit, and then I prepared a pan with some aluminum foil and spread it out evenly, and I put it in the oven on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, flipping it in between time. Now, you absolutely want your jackfruit to have a nice little crust like that because that's the closest you're gonna get to that nice crispy skin that pernil traditionally has. Serve this dish up along with some of your favorite sides. I even made this special garlic sauce, and I'll be sure to include the details below. The beauty of pernil lies in its roots across Puerto Rican, Cuban, and Dominican cuisine. Each culture adds its unique touch, creating diverse and flavorful variations of this cherished dish. Be sure to share, save, and comment below.